Guess what I get to do today? I get to go beekeeping all day long. Burt Beebe here with HoneyBeeMade at HQ on Route 352 in Big Flats, New York. And today's beekeeping is all about the hive inspection. And the intent of this video is for beginning beekeepers who are just starting out, kind of overwhelmed with a lot of information. You know what? I get it. Been there and sometimes still am there. But the purpose of this is for a hive inspection. Aside the fact that you have to test or search for varroa mites and other diseases that the honeybee might have, there are 3 things you need to look for. And by the way, everybody wants to find the queen, but it's not necessary to find the queen if you find these 3 things. Number 1, eggs. Number 2, larvae. And the most evident of the 3, capped brood, also known as the pupa stage of a honeybee's life. These are the 3 things you need to look for, I think, as a beginning beekeeper, and get used to looking for that. Number 1 is the eggs. I think it's a single most important thing. Here's why. If there's eggs present in your frames, that means you've had a queen at least 1 to 3 days, because an egg is an egg for 3 days and 3 days only. Then it moves on to the larva stage. And always remember, the larva stage is 6 days, just double the 3 and you got number 6. And they're in a larva stage for 6 days, and then it's on to the capped brood or the pupa stage. So just double the number 6, and it becomes number 12. And they're in the capped brood stage for 12 days, and it averages about 21 days before a honeybee is born. So it's extremely important to find eggs, larvae, capped brood. If you don't have eggs, you may have lost a queen or something else is going on. Maybe they swarmed. It's really difficult to say, but I think that's a different video. So remember, beginning beekeepers, keep calm. All they can do is sting you, which you're not going to die from, hopefully. You need to look for eggs, larvae, capped brood. Hey, we'll catch you on the bee side. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1, you need to look for larvae. Number 1, you need to look for eggs. Number 2, larvae. And number 3, capped brood, otherwise known as pupa stage. GoPro turn off.